Hey everybody, it's Sean here bringing you another how-to video. Today we're going to be installing a set of Auxito LED 7443 bulbs in the reverse light housing on a 2016 through 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Specifically, the car we're working on is a 2020 MX-5 RF in the Grand Touring trim level. So let's take a look at these bulbs. These are going to be more of a bright white color temperature. They're about 6,000 K on the color temperature scale, and this will be a welcomed upgrade from the yellowish bulbs that come stock in the reverse light housing from Mazda. So really looking forward to this. It should be another small way to just bring a little level of luxury to your MX-5, maybe upscale the car a little bit. I had really good luck with the same bulbs in my turn signal housing for my MX-5, just of course those were amber in color, but because they worked out so well, I decided to pull the trigger and buy a set of Auxito bulbs for my reverse lights, and I think they were about 15, maybe 20 bucks from eBay. I'm sure you could get them at other retailers, and of course there's a ton of great bulb options for your MX-5 from a lot of different vendors out there. All right, let's tackle this process, and I'll show you the first thing we need is the bulbs. I'm going to have a work light. It'll help make our job a little easier. I'm also going to use a pad to crawl under the car. But the first thing you'll want to do is clear enough space to get underneath the car and get yourself set up, and I'll show you what it looks like underneath and where we'll be tackling this project.
Alrighty, here we are under the car. My head is just underneath the exhaust right now. We are on the driver's side or left-hand side of the car. And what we're after is that plug right there. You can see I've actually got the connector unplugged. You don't need to necessarily unplug it, but it might make it a little easier to access the bulb and pull that whole reverse light housing socket out of the light fixture if you would like. So not necessary, but it might make it a little easier to remove the bulb and then put the new one back in, and then we'll just plug it back in. Now we've got the connector unplugged. We're simply going to rotate counterclockwise about an eighth turn or quarter turn to remove that bulb socket.
Okay, once the bulb socket is removed, we're simply going to gently pull directly outward. So we're going to pull directly that way to get the bulb to come out of the bulb socket. And then I'll show you a comparison of the standard bulb versus the new Auxito LEDs. There's a quick comparison in size. You can see the LED one is slightly larger, but shouldn't be a problem getting back into the reverse light housing. So now I'm going to install the LED bulb into the bulb socket. Again, just simply by plugging that bulb straight into the socket, and then we're going to reinstall the socket by turning clockwise once you get it lined up, and then we will reattach our wiring plug to make sure that it works. All right, everything looks to be working well. You can see that's the white LED. I'll come back over here and show you the standard reverse lights here. Again, after you've completed this step of reattaching everything on both sides, do double check. Simply turn your car to accessory and put the car in reverse. This is a manual, but you can still put it in reverse just to see and test out the reverse light bulbs. So there you have it. Definitely more upscale. You can see I've already done the license plate lights on this car, and you can certainly see the amount of brightness is very strong. Definitely looks brighter than the standard halogen or incandescent bulb, the yellowish bulb. And again, I think it definitely brings a level of luxury to your MX-5. Hopefully this video is able to help out, give you a comparison, and also show a quick how-to install LED bulbs in your reverse lights on your 2016 through 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Thanks again, everybody. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care. God bless.